Sophie, is that your buddy dude? Yeah? Yeah? And in the background, you see Sophie went through her drawers and got stuff out. Good boy, dude. Be gentle with dude. Say, good boy, dude. Gently. Good boy. You need to be gentle, Sophie. Good boy. Watch his eyes, Sophie. Watch his eyes. Yeah, good boy, dude. Good boy, dude. Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boy. Ah, gently. Dude is a good sport, isn't he? Yeah. Where are you going, Sophie? Be careful. Poor dude. Sophie, that's his eye. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Yeah. There, Sophie. That dog. Is that a doggy, Sophie? That's a dude dog.